I'm all out. I'd like to give a shout out to a fucking person.
Shut up, Devin.
And it's girl.
Kristen?
No, not Kristen. MD.
MD.
Okay.
Everybody say MD.
MD!
What does that mean?
My dick.
Okay, what's the ID? We'll go to college.
You're gonna be a millionaire.
Oh, look, he's fat.
Your mom's fat. Like, really, like, really, dude, stop, you're getting in my way. Oh, I feel retarded. Do you even have the first 2 layers?
Alright, this is a shout out.
I didn't even solve the first 2 layers.
I'll shout out to Alyssa.
Tengo que solve the first 2.
Love you, Alyssa.
How are you doing? Devin, you know this is going on YouTube, right?
What?
Yeah, I'm really putting this on YouTube.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Doesn't know whoever that is.
Stranger danger, you tried to rape me.
What? My arm has a cramp, dude. Hold on.
You guys have plenty of time. Are y'all playing this?
Yes, I am.
No, but this is on Game of Boy.
I messed up, y'all. Yeah, I know.
No more cards.
Joe, you got me. What? I think you got me. No. I still haven't even got the first 2 layers. I messed up on the oil, now I gotta do the...
Someone give me a drink.
I hate this crap.
Kyle, please get a drink, please, Kyle. I don't have more money. You want that one, please?
Hey, what happened? Did she move?
Oh, yeah.
I know, my... What?
Still works at McDonald's.
Oh, God. Kill me now.
Kind of breaking.
Ya te ganó.
Do you have to start a career with this?
Oh, crap.
It's a police car.
Oh, well.
Ya te ganó.
You're a police. You're a police officer, Devin.
Apúrale, come on, Lloyd.
Do I go to college if I want to be this guy? Do I? Sydney, do I go to college if
Come on, Lloyd. Yes, Lloyd.
I got it?
Yeah. Ah.
My arm hurts like crap.
And he messed up.
Okay.
And if you just go ahead and come back and I'll go.
Oh. Screw this one-handed crap. Yeah, I know you can. I don't do two one-handed anymore.
My record on my right hand is like 3 minutes. My record.
Oh, that hurts. I did it.
Money.
Let's go.
Joey, pause it.